Hi, in this video we are going to see the new features of drone engage missions. We will demonstrate the ability of creating Ardupilot missions and combine it with external uh, mission items or external actions in other modules in the drone. For example, we can enable the swarm behavior, disable it, enable telemetry, disable it, enable any other module, communicate with any other module while executing the original Ardupilot plan. And we will see also that we can even interact with other drones and send events between drones, and these events can trigger mission items or trigger other modules between different drones so that they are synchronized and they can do coordinated actions. We will start by making a simple mission. Here, this is a one mission for one drone. This is the main drone Cairo, which is here. Yes. Okay. Let's put a mission here where this drone will go over a path, and it will, during this path, it will order other drones to follow it in its mission. So the first will be a normal mission item. The second one, it will be a normal mission item, but it will also enable it will convert itself to leader drone, which means that it can ask other drones to follow it. It will also fire events that will be sent across other drones. The third is as we can see, we can modify and update any item. So this is 444. I'm adding just fire events so that I can build over it. Okay, the second drone, which is drone 1, for example, we will make now another plan for another drone 1. Okay, drone 1 will just take a step here. The first step is a normal mission item. The second step, it will wait for event 222, and after it receives it, it will be a follower to drone Cairo, and item 3, it will convert to guided mode so that it can follow drone Cairo. So here we are listening to event 222, which will be fired, I guess, here. Yes, it will be fired here. And here, the Cairo drone will be converted to swarm leader. So here, the Cairo drone will be converted to swarm leader, while here, drone 1 will follow Cairo drone. Here, I converted the mission type to drone engage mission. The drone engage mission is not an Ardupilot mission. It will be only stored in drone engage. It will not be seen as part of the missions that are stored in the drone itself. Okay, now we will upload the missions. Here, upload, and here, clear, upload. And now we will go to the Drone Engage Web Client controller to see how we can execute this mission. This is a Drone Engage ground control station or web client. We will see here, this is the, we are downloading the missions on the web client. This is the mission of the drone Cairo, and this is the mission of drone 1. The common point here is the home. This is mission item 1, mission item 2, and this is the mission of drone Cairo. What should happen is that drone Cairo should go here after this pass, and drone 1 should go here and wait until drone Cairo reaches this point. Then it will go here and then follow drone Cairo because it instructs it to follow it. So let's execute. We will switch, we are just switching the drones to auto mode. Here, drone Cairo is waiting, drone 1 is waiting. Drone Cairo executed this step, and as we can see, leader mode is active. Here, it fired the event of 222, and now this drone will follow it. As we can see, this is the location of the drone 1 where drone 1 should be. Now drone 1 is going to this location and is following drone Cairo 1. We can see it is following drone Cairo 1 because the distance is small. It is following it. If we switch it drone Cairo 1 to guided mode and instruct drone Cairo 1 to go here, I didn't touch drone 1. Now drone 1 is following it. So drone Cairo instructed drone 1 to follow it. And this instruction are done automatically and using synchronized events. This event can be anything. This is only version